See here, my PC is not working properly because of CPU is working but display is not showing. I will show you how to fix it without losing any data. See, my computer is everything on only, but it's not showing any display. Because of some improper burnt wires or otherwise some replacing wires in CPU. See, my PC it is now on only, but it's not showing. Okay, now I will remove wires because I want to change some inside wires. See, now take that chip out, but carefully, be careful while taking out. And in that gold color, please take one brush and clean, very clean, because of dust. Clean it properly. Front and back also clean it properly. And where you have inside that chip, in that place also clean without dust. And again insert your chip in same place, otherwise same like that only. Side also one thing is there, no problem, use any one for inserting, but make sure that if you are inserting properly or not. Check all wires, is there any wrong or is there any burnt wires. If CPU is full of dust, please give to any shop for cleaning total CPU, because with dust also it will not on perfectly. See, now I did almost all. Now I am checking wires. Yeah, is there, it is proper only. Just now I fixed my CPU to computer. See now how it works. I think it works. Yeah, it's working. See here, Windows is started. Now display is also coming. CPU is also running. Make sure that clean inside ports, and is any there burnt or replacing wires, once check it inside totally. And if any dust, full of dust with CPU means, give any shop for in computer shop, they will clean your computer totally. Yeah, now it's working fine. Thank you.